what are the key components of roofing assemblies? Most people just see shingles, but as underwriters, agents, and other insurance professionals, we need to see the full picture. What's actually inside a roofing assembly can be the difference between a secure risk and a major claim waiting to happen. A roofing assembly is a complete system of interlocking layers providing weather protection and, in many cases, fire resistance to the elements. It includes the roof deck structure, a vapor barrier or retarder, thermal barrier, insulation, underlayment, and roof covering. These elements are often described as a sandwich of protection. Roof coverings can be made from a myriad of different materials. The most common, asphalt shingles, provide waterproofing and fire resistance. They are quick to install and can require less maintenance than other roofing options. But longevity is limited, approximately 15 to 20 years on average. Metal roofing provides similar benefits, especially fire resistance. Durability is a key component, with metal roof life expectancy between 40 and 70 years. Slate, clay tiles, and concrete shingles often exceed the fire resistance and durability of metal and asphalt shingles, with lifespans like or greater than metal roofing. However, these types are expensive and used less often. Built-up roofing is multiple layers of bitumen, which is a type of asphalt. It's often used in larger, usually commercial applications, and has a lifespan of 20 years or more. Membrane roofing is single-ply bitumen systems with strong waterproofing properties and good lifespans. If you found this brief breakdown of roofing assemblies helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Underwriters Corner insights. We also want to hear from you. Head over to our LinkedIn page to join the conversation and share your own experiences with unique roofing risks. See you in the next one.